How to fix EA College Football 25 Team Builder logo not loading. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix EA College Football 25 Team Builder logo not loading. In this tutorial, I will teach you one way to do this. First, go to the College Football 25 website. Then, log in and create your team. Then, if you want to upload custom photos, make sure that they are in PNG format. If it fails due to service issues, try to access the site at a different time because this might only be because of page traffic. Also, take note that Team Builder can only be used in online dynasties. They are not available for offline play. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!